Market update here a little bit earlier than normal. Nothing really happened in the market today. Go ahead and get this out of the way. SPY is bouncing a little bit. Really key to look at the supply and demand zones. We have a supply zone here at 396 to 401. It's going to have to get above 401 to be anywhere close to being bullish right now. We are in a downtrend, and I still think this is the most likely scenario. We come down here. This is daily demand. Bounce out of there, and then come down here to weekly demand before melting up. So I'm still bearish overall, and as far as moving averages go, we are currently below, we're a little bit above the, no, we're right at the 200-day right now, actually. So we'll see if it can finish over the 200-day moving average, but it's below all of them. The 20 just crossed the 50. The 20 comes down here and crosses the 200-day moving average, and that's going to be pretty bearish. So that's SPY. QQQ. I have these levels drawn. This is a daily supply zone. It already hit it and backed off. We got daily demand down here at 298. Based on us being closer to supply and the structure of this move, still looking for a move down here and probably ultimately 280, but it could look something like this. We'll see how it goes over the next couple of days. That's kind of what I'm looking for on supply and demand, though. And then that would be, I already have this drawn too. So if we hit 280 by mid-April, then this would look like, and then I would look for something up here by probably July or August, something like that. So that's my thesis on QQQ. Tesla is bouncing a little bit today, but again, it has daily supply here at 192. We'll see if it gets there. If not, there's a gap fill down here at 147, and then we have daily demand right underneath that, and then we have weekly demand under that. So it's going to be hard to get it back down to a new low, but I think it can come down here to a minimum of 147 over the next, probably the next month or two. So that's Tesla. Apple is above the recent daily supply zone. We got another one up here at 164. I don't think it's going to get there, though, because of the structure of this move. We got A, B, and it looks like a C wave to me. We got a 5-wave move here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we zoom out here on the daily, you'll see that this could be an expanded flat. It could go all the way up to 160, and I wouldn't be surprised. But then it would still end up being something like that down, and then it'd be ready to go higher. Okay. The dollar, I laid this out. I think this is kind of likely, and it's actually dipping a lot today. I was looking for 102.80, and then I'm looking for a big spike in the dollar up to like 107.80, maybe 109. We got a big supply zone right here on the weekly. On the daily, I think we have one around 109. Yeah, this one right here around 109.22 to 111.01. So I'm looking for up here and then finally coming down to 95 when we start melting up. Bitcoin really hasn't moved that much since I did the video yesterday. But I'm still looking for, it's above all the moving averages. I'm still looking for 31,400 minimum. And we'll see. It kind of goes against my thesis for the overall market, but we'll see how it plays out because I'm pretty bullish on it right now. But it's still, it could be WXY. This is possible. And then come down to lower lows. It's definitely not ABC, but I think it's very likely it is a 5-week move as well. So people are moving out of the banks into assets like gold, silver, Bitcoin, cash. Some people are putting their money into Apple. That's why it's going up maybe. So we'll see how it goes, but 31.4 should happen at the minimum, I would think. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to do an extensive video today because there wasn't really that much going on. But tomorrow, hopefully we see a good setup for Wednesday. Wednesday's going to be really wild, so I'll probably do some updates during the day on the day before FOMC and maybe after it's done as well. So that's it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.